Alright, good morning. I don't know if I started today's vlog off yet. I think I didn't. But we're now on day 5 already. Hold on, sorry. Yep, it's Saturday. We're on day 5 and I'm headed. I am so jacked up. Don't y'all hate that? Okay, he's letting me through. Headed to the Petco because my son is about to get groomed. So we're headed to Petco, but first I gotta go to the gas station because as soon as I leave Petco, I'll be going to my mom's. She wanted me to take her to a couple stores so she can get started on Christmas shopping. Good thing, like, it really isn't like the mall or anything, so everything we're gonna do is pretty much in vicinity. We only really one-stop shop, and then we're gonna get everything that she needs. I'm just there for the food because I've been wanting this orange chicken and shrimp fried rice for a minute, and I always feel like whenever you be wanting stuff for a while, the moment you get it, it don't even taste all that good. But I'm just gonna say now, I'm gonna put it in the air, it's gonna taste great. He loved car rides. I took him this morning with me to go to the grocery store to get the cereal for my baby. Tomorrow I'll cook some breakfast, but today cereal is a cereal type of day. Tomorrow you can eat your little sausages and eggs for breakfast. Yeah, once I get back, just gonna chill out for the rest of the day. I might make some lip glosses today so I can put them up on my Etsy account. So if you want some lip glosses, my lip glosses are very moisturizing. They are not sticky at all. And oh, I'm sorry, you can't even see because of the sun. But I'm jacked up. I don't like that feeling. Tuck these parts in because they kind of poke at me. But yeah, if you want yourself some lip gloss, shop on my Etsy. I love these things. They're so moisturizing. I think, excuse me. Excuse you. I'm gonna actually start bringing my camera out because you don't even know how to use that. I just be feeling like my camera kind of hefty until I get me a new vlog camera. It's very hefty to bring with me, but that's the purpose of vlogging, is, you know, I want better quality for my videos. You know, days that I feel like it's super dry, there's nothing going on, I can put up a regular video, like a makeup look, or you know, something else, you know, how I make my bath bombs or something in the entrepreneur type. But now that I'm thinking about it, it just seems like I'm gonna have to vlog. Hopefully he stays in the freaking car because he likes to get out and see what's going on. Where you stay, I'll pin you down if you don't. In fact, let me put your leash on in case. I mean, you're good. He's good at making sure he's by me, but when there's people around, he kind of likes to. He want to go to people. Over. We're not getting out. You're not getting out. Come on. Okay. We are definitely filled. We filled. I shouldn't have to worry about gas to the end of next week. Okay, I just left the store. Oh, the dog is so cute. All the little ones Little teeny thugs. And my dog, I swear, when we get in a public place, he just act that fool. All the training that we do, everything I taught him just goes right out the window. But it's okay. We just gotta practice with taking him out in public. So let me go ahead and get to my mom's. See if I can jump on the highway from right here. I know there's a highway somewhere by. So let me go check. Alright, so a lot has been happening, but I haven't been filming anything. So as you can see, there's stores behind me. We went into a Rose's and we've been in there for like 30 minutes standing in line because it was literally one line for all the registers. I think I'm gonna move up some. Let me move up some so that my mom don't have to wait too long. Yeah, so I'm about to, she's about to come out now. She just had to use the bathroom. I already say, I'm making it convenient. You still want to take a walk. I already say. Just throw away something. You want your food?
No,
I said, let me move a little bit closer. Can you put this in there? I need to get some wipes, hand sanitizer, all that for my car. Lucky I love them because I wouldn't be standing on line. No.
Don't be showing up. Like 5 minutes.
Alright, my mom just left out the car. She's going into the grocery store to get some waters and sodas for her house. But I haven't ate this morning, so I'm gonna eat. I got some orange chicken and shrimp fried rice. And I told y'all I wanted this so bad. That's what I'm about to do. I'm about to eat my food. I ain't really been giving y'all no scenery. I am terrible at vlogging. Like, you know how like most people, they vlog when they in the store. I be trying to get in and out the public. I don't be trying to be doing too much. Especially with Corona out here. In and out. It was fresh when I had first got it. I wish I could have ate it then. I'm not gonna eat in y'all face. I'm gonna go watch some YouTube videos until she's done. Then I'll catch back with y'all once I leave. Because after I'm done here, I'm gonna drop her off, use the bathroom because I have to pee, and then head home. Figure out what's for dinner. I'm thinking beef and rice. So I'm home. About to figure out. Ow! Figure out what's for dinner. Okay. 0.79. Come here. It's time for a haircut, huh? You can't see your eyeballs. Come here. You always smell like cookies. next time you go, you're gonna have to get a haircut because this ain't it. Hi, Poo Poo. You woke? You woke? You woke? Yeah. Yeah. Still sleeping? It's probably because he heard me talking. He woke up. Can y'all even see me? But I don't even want to say why I'm puffing, but I can't see when the light is on. I'm heading to get some food.